G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a stunning home, 49 Serenity Drive in the popular suburb of Eli Waters. There is a lot to take in. Let's go and take a look around. This stunning inner suburban oasis was completed in 2018 and is perfectly positioned on a low maintenance 600 square metre allotment, allowing for clear side access and ample space to accommodate large RVs, caravans and boats, making it the perfect home base to return to between your nomadic travels. Immaculate and beautifully presented, as good as new, in the popular Hervey Bay suburb of Eli Waters. This is where you'll enjoy the convenience and lifestyle that comes with having the Eli Waters shopping centre and other essential amenities all only minutes away, including Stockland shopping centre, hospitals, medical centres, the golf course, esplanade, cafes, restaurants and the beach, all only a short drive away. Enter and be welcomed by high ceilings and an open light-filled design. Enjoy the fusion of classic lines with modern finishes that create something special with an intuitive and creative floor plan. There is more than meets the eye with this home, offering an abundance of space to entertain with family and friends all year round. The stylish kitchen does form the heart of this home and includes beautiful stone bench tops and a breakfast bar, plus ample storage and a pantry. Quality appliances include an electric hot plate with a range hood, an oven and a dishwasher, ideal for preparing meals for both everyday and entertaining on those special occasions. This stunning home utilises its space perfectly, with the vast indoor dining and living area seamlessly opening out to that fantastic north-facing alfresco outdoor entertaining area. This is where you'll take advantage and enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate. Cooling off over the warmer summer months is as simple as making a splash in that sparkling in-ground swimming pool. This home also includes reverse cycle split system air conditioning, which flows across the open plan dining and living area. In addition to the vast open plan dining and living area, there is a separate lounge or media room. This is where you'll be able to enjoy your favourite television series along with the latest blockbuster movies. All 4 bedrooms include ceiling fans and built-in wardrobes. The spacious main bedroom includes a ceiling fan, a walk-in wardrobe and a lavish ensuite with a shower, vanity and toilet. The bathroom includes a vanity, bath and shower, plus you have a separate toilet. The laundry offers direct access outside to the clothesline. Those looking to accommodate several vehicles will appreciate the oversized double garage with a remote panel lift door and direct internal access into the home. This property does offer clear side access and ample space to accommodate a large RV, caravan or boat, and you could easily add a shed if needed as well. Homes offering these features at this price point are rare and always in high demand, so don't miss this opportunity. Call me now, Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.